According to statistics, the number of digital buyers is expected to hit 2.4 billion by the end of 2021. The world of e-commerce is growing at an exponential rate. With so many e-commerce websites on the internet, the competition is strong and growing, and there's no place for vulnerabilities. In this video, we are going to enlist 5 crucial factors for effective e-commerce website development. Put the user experience first. Good user experience is essential if you want your e-commerce website to be successful. The internet is filled with millions of e-commerce websites. If you fail to provide your customers value and a good user experience, it wouldn't take them long to switch to another e-commerce store. The most ideal user interface is one that is simple, clean, and easy to navigate. Try to keep the content on your website to the point and easily readable. Also, make use of attractive and high-quality images and videos that would help your customers get a better idea of the product they intend to purchase. Have a clear brand design. Your brand design furthers the brand's identity. When someone looks at your brand's design, they should instantly recognize your brand. It should leave an imprint on the mind of the viewer. It is important that your brand design is unique and different from that of others. There are several elements that you can use to make your brand design stand out, such as color themes, logos, images, videos, layouts that are original and represent your brand only. Focus on building a lasting impression on your website visitors. However, don't overcrowd your website with hundreds of different colors, categories, images, etc. You want to make your website look attractive while keeping the interface clean. Drive traffic, using paid ads and content marketing. There's a lot that goes into a successful e-commerce website than just creating and designing it. Once the website is up and running, you'd need to work hard to gain website traction. There are many useful methods that can be used to increase the website's traffic. For example, you can start social media marketing, search campaigns, and paid social ads, all of which will help you drive more traffic to your website. Through marketing your content, not only does your business gain more customers, but it also makes them your loyal customers. According to Demand Metric, as compared to traditional marketing, content marketing costs 62% less and generates around 3 times as many leads. Keep website security at the forefront. The importance of website security should not be underestimated. There are several factors that account for the security of your website. To ensure that your e-commerce website is secure, you should choose a website platform and web host that's safe and trusted. Ensure that your website has an SSL certificate. Regularly perform SSL checks on your website. Hire experts for payment getaways and data processing. Be flexible with shipping. Shipping flexibility is another key feature of an e-commerce platform that should be given due importance. Even if your customers are willing to spend hundreds of dollars shopping from your website, they would abandon the cart if their preferred payment is not being offered. There are several methods to offer flexibility in shipping and payment methods, such as offer free shipping to customers if they shop for more than a certain amount. Offer different methods of payments such as COD, PayPal, credit card and debit card payment, and more. Offer multiple shipping rate options that invariably affect the shipping speed. Ensure safe and fast delivery by partnering with a reliable fulfillment service. If you are interested to know more about e-commerce development, visit the link in the description or contact us at info@invozone.com.